Hi everyone! In this video, I'm walking you through the Teal Digital Planner classic design for OneNote. OneNote is a digital note-taking app by Microsoft with an intuitive and simple interface that resembles a traditional paper notebook. OneNote app is usually included in Microsoft 365 subscription or Microsoft Office Suite and is available in both Google Play and Apple stores. The Teal Planner comes in two durations, an annual edition for a full calendar year, and a semi-annual edition that bridges 2 years. This semi-annual planner runs from July 2025 through June 2026 and includes US holidays. It's a great fit for students or teachers planning around the academic year, or for anyone looking to try a digital planner starting mid-year. In this video, I'm showcasing the American holidays version of the planner, which includes US holidays in red and cultural observances like daylight saving time in teal. If you don't need holiday data, there's also an international version with the same layout, but without pre-filled US holidays. You'll find a complete list of holidays in the annual section, alongside other yearly planning forms. Additionally, holiday information is always visible in the mini calendars on each daily, weekly, and monthly page throughout the planner. The Teal Planner is a digital adaptation of a traditional paper planner, specifically optimized for use within OneNote. It follows the familiar structure of a physical planner, organized into monthly calendar sections and weekly subsections, but it is presented in a fully digital format, using OneNote's native hierarchy of sections and pages, and powerful the OneNote software features. One of the key features and benefits of the Teal Digital Planner for OneNote is its multi-device accessibility, thanks to cloud storage via Microsoft OneDrive. You can access the Teal Planner seamlessly from your computer, tablet, or smartphone, setting it apart not only from traditional paper planners but also from static PDF-based planners. Second, the Teal OneNote-based digital planner supports multiple input types. You can type, handwrite, draw, insert audio recordings, and even add images or screenshots. Finally, OneNote's powerful search function allows you to instantly find any note, not just within this planner, but across all your digital notebooks. The classic design intentionally mimics a classic notebook, with a spiral coil in the middle of each page for daily, weekly, and monthly. Every page is split into two parts. The left side is designed for structured planning and functionality. The right side is a flexible, multi-purpose space where you can write or type your notes, agenda or draw sketch, or insert stickers or screenshots from your phone. The daily, weekly, and monthly template pages share a consistent tabs design with internal hyperlinks at the top of each page. Internal hyperlinks, another one of the great features of OneNote. These links can connect to specific pages or sections within a digital planner notebook for quick navigation. If you're using a desktop, hyperlinks may not feel as essential since the full planner hierarchy is always visible on the left side. However, on smaller screens like an iPad or Samsung Galaxy tablet, where screen space is limited, hyperlinks become incredibly useful for quick and efficient navigation. Daily page. Let's take a closer look at the essential pages of this planner, daily, weekly, and monthly, where you'll likely spend most of your time. We'll start with the daily page. In my example of May 25, which is Memorial Day, the planner displays holiday information, just like a traditional paper calendar. It also shows the week number of the year. This same information is reflected in the mini calendars on the top of the page. Below is a daily schedule timeline for scheduling your day hour by hour, with an AM/PM time format for American holiday planner. A to-do list section with space to highlight your 3 top priority items, or can also be used for reminders. Notes column, a flexible space that can be utilized to expand your to-do list or provide additional details for specific tasks. The right section is freestyle. This section is versatile and can be adapted to your needs. It's perfect for daily notes, affirmations, journaling, screenshots uploaded directly from your phone or computer, sketches or drawings using stylus. At the top of the daily page, you'll find a consistent navigation bar with internal hyperlinks, available across all calendar pages, daily, weekly, and monthly. On the left side of this bar, you have navigation links for calendar section, allowing you to jump to the index, move backward or forward by 1 day, and access the current week, current month, or year overview. In the center, you'll find links to annual sections like goals and travel. On the right side, you'll see productivity section shortcuts, including tasks or to-do, projects, meetings, calls, lists, ideas, and notes. Let's test the hyperlinks in action. Clicking on Index gives you quick access to all major sections of the planner. The navigational hyperlinks are the most practical and frequently used features of the Teal Planner. For example, clicking day backward takes you to the previous day, May 24, and clicking day forward takes you to the next day, May 26. You can continue navigating 1 day at a time using these arrows, either forward or back. The week hyperlink jumps to the current week view for this date. From the weekly page, you can return to our current day, May 25, or jump to any other days of the week by clicking on the daily hyperlinks embedded in the weekly layout. Clicking on month will take you to the current month's view, in this example May, where you'll find links to every daily page for the month, making it easy to jump to any date of the month or return to today's date. A special feature of this new spiral design planner is the mini hyperlinked calendars, located on the left side of each page, whether you're on a daily, weekly, or monthly view. These mini calendars are fully interactive. Each month's title, each week's number, and even each day are clickable hyperlinks. This provides a convenient, alternate way to navigate quickly without needing to access the full yearly overview. You can use these mini calendars to jump to the current week, or access any day within the current month, or even move ahead to any day in the following month. It's a compact, efficient tool for short-term 2-month planning. Lastly, if you're planning several months in advance, the most efficient way to navigate is by using the current year hyperlink. This takes you to a full yearly overview, which includes quick jumps to each month, hyperlinks to every day of the year, and weekly links for each week. If you're on a desktop, you can return to the daily view by using OneNote's built-in back button, located in the top left corner. If you're on an iPad or another smart tablet, you can use the month hyperlink to return to the current month view, and from there to the current day. Alternatively, from the year overview, you can tap on the current day, May 27, to get back to your current daily page. Weekly page. The weekly template features a 2-page design that combines structured planning with flexible space for notes. When zoomed out in OneNote, you'll notice the 2 pages are stacked vertically, one above the other. The upper weekly page template follows a similar structure to the daily page, with a functional area on the left and a freestyle section on the right. This weekly template is ideal for high-level weekly planning that includes navigational hyperlinks for each day of the week, a weekly to-do list including the space for your top 3 priorities, a small habit tracker, a mini notes section or extended to-do space, and a freestyle notes area on the right. If you prefer to plan your week by listing tasks and priorities, this upper section may be all you need. Lower weekly page template is for more detailed planning. The second weekly page provides a time block layout that allows you to visually map out your week by the hour. This is especially useful if you like to manually transfer events from your Google Calendar, or schedule meetings, appointments, and personal routines in a structured way. The navigation tabs at the top of the weekly page are similar to those found on the daily page, providing quick access to key sections of the planner. Gray-colored week back and week forward tabs allow you to navigate to the previous or next week, moving 1 week at a time. The month tab jumps to the current monthly view, from where you can use the hyperlink for each day of the month, or use weekly hyperlinks at the top left, providing quick access to all weeks of the current month. Using these weekly hyperlinks will be the fastest way to return back to the weekly view. The lower part of the weekly template includes hyperlinks for each day of the week, located in the upper left corner of each daily block. These allow you to quickly jump directly to the corresponding day of this week. For future planning, the year hyperlink is the most efficient way to jump to any month, week, or specific day in the planner. From there, you can easily return to your current week, day, or month using either Master Overview navigation links or OneNote's back button on desktop version. Additionally, similar to the daily page, the weekly page provides shortcuts to the yearly sections, including travel, goals, and productivity tools like projects, meetings, and your master to-do list. Monthly page. Let's take a look at the monthly page. It follows the same layout style as the rest of the planner, with a functional section on the left and a freestyle section on the right, divided by a central spiral design element. The layout resembles a traditional dated paper calendar, making it familiar and easy to use. At the bottom of the left side, you'll find 3 dedicated sections for reminders or focus areas, a monthly to-do list, and notes. The right side offers a flexible space for high-level monthly planning, journaling, or anything else that suits your workflow. At the top of the monthly page, the navigational hyperlinks allow you to move 1 month at a time, either forward or backward. If you need quick access to the entire year, you can use the year hyperlink, just like on the weekly and daily pages. Additionally, in the top left corner of the monthly page, you'll find hyperlinks to the current weeks of that month, making it easy to jump directly to any weekly layout. A key improvement in the new Spiral Design Planner is the updated placement of daily hyperlinks for the monthly view template. Previously, these links were placed directly within each calendar day inside OneNote's text containers, which could interfere with typing, but did not interfere when using a stylus for handwriting. To improve usability, all daily hyperlinks have been moved to the left side of the monthly page. This ensures you can type or write freely without accidentally triggering or moving a link. This new layout offers the perfect balance of convenience and practicality, keeping navigation close but without getting in your way. The daily hyperlinks in the monthly view allow you to jump to any specific day of the month and easily return using the current month hyperlink tab. Their key advantage is their larger size and easier tap targets, making them especially convenient for use on mobile devices and tablets. Alternatively, you can always use the hyperlinked mini calendars, which also allow you to jump to any day of the month. However, on smaller devices like tablets or smartphones, you may need to zoom in to tap the correct date accurately. Lastly, every page within the calendar section, daily, weekly, and monthly, includes a consistent set of hyperlinked tabs on the right side that lead to the annual and productivity sections. The productivity section is designed as a bonus space, giving you designated areas to create your master task list, keep track of meeting notes, and organize your projects, or maintain a bucket list of things to do, read, or explore. When you create a new page within any of these sections, it automatically uses the default template set for that section. However, OneNote offers full flexibility, so if you prefer a different layout, you can easily switch to another template of your choice.